Hello everybody, this is Brymans Totally Awesome Collection here coming at you with another video. And today we have the all-new 7th series Garbage Pail Kids stickers and bubble gum. We have a complete box here from the 80s, from 1987. And this was one of my favorite series growing up because it's kind of the one that I remember a lot, actually getting packs from this series at the flea market and whatnot. But I did get this box on eBay, and we're gonna open up probably about 10 to 12 packs, maybe one stack in here. There's 4 stacks, so let's just get right into it. Open the box. We have a Garbage Pail Kids dealer sheet, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me open it for you. So we have the 7th series available here, Garbage Pail Kids dealer sheet. So that came with it, so that's cool. And I'm gonna pull out, let's see, I think there's 48 packs in here, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let's start with 12 packs and see what we got. There's the box. I'm going to move that to the side. And there's the stack. And we'll see what we got here. Get the light on the situation. Hopefully you guys can see everything okay. Okay, so we have Garbage Pail Kids stickers, all new 7th series. Yeah, this was a good. Oh, this one's kind of already opened. That's kind of how these old wax packs were. And I'm expecting at least one card in here to be kind of ruined. And that would be this back card with the bubble gum. So we'll put that over there. And see what we get. Let's see that back card. Yeah, it's got some gum stain on there. So why don't we do this? We'll make one stack of the gums that are the cards that are stained with gum. So we'll put that off to the side. And then we have the front card, Adam Boom. Alien Allen. On the Mark. Now that's the one from the box. Great one there. Bruno. This one's sealed a little bit better. Now, unfortunately, some of that wax is getting on the front of that card there. If you guys know how to get that wax off the card, let me know in the comments. Because that front card has wax from the wrapper, and the back card is going to have the gum stain. Many heads. Shut Up Sherwin. Nice looking card. Haley Comet. Nice looking card. Noah Body. Screwball Do. Yep, this one has, I don't know if you guys can see that right there. See this, the wax on there? On the front card. So the back one and the front one are a little messed up. There's the back one. Oral Laurel. Might be able to get that off there. I'm not sure. We'll put it over there though. This one has wax on the front. Cranky Kristen. Gymnasium. Or Nauseum. Boy, that one looks like a good card there. Look at that one. Centered really nice. Nice corners. Checklist. Nice. I'm probably going to sleeve these up, a lot of these, if not all of them, after the video. Russ Puss. Nice looking card. And Jay Prey. Another nice looking card. Just a little off-centered, but not bad. Okay, the gum was not stuck to the card, so that's good. We have a little wax stain on this one. You can see that. So I'm going to put the wax stain card in a separate pile. I'm going to put the gum card in a separate pile. So basically we got 3 cards out of here that are don't have anything on them. Middle 3. Jughead Ted. Modern Art. And that one's pretty bent. Look at that. That one's pretty bent too. Dirty Birdie. Looks like we have another Adam Boom. I was hoping to get a couple of the Adam Booms that were really, really nice. I like that card. Adam Boom. With some wax stains on it. Maybe I'll try to get that off later on. Alien Allen. On the Mark. Bruin Bruno. And Miles Smiles. With this one has the gum stain on the back. I might be able to get some of that off of there. Homer Runt with the little bit of wax stain on there. So I'll put that in a separate pile. The back one, we have a gum stain on the back. Actually, that's not too bad. A little bit, you can see there. Pilgrim. Vanessa Undresser. And that one has something going on with the well done. This one has something going on right here on the bottom corner. You can kind of see that. See, look at that wrapper sticking to that card right there. Don't know what happened there. Well, I guess just it's been in these packs since 1987, right? So, stuck to the back of the card, the gum. And what is this one? Sappy Sarah with a gum stain. William Pend with the wax stain. Banana Anna is looking nice. Little off center. Top to bottom, maybe. Left to right. Grilled Gill. These cards are bent too. Look at. As long as it's not a crease, I don't think that's a problem. Grilled Gill. I'm okay with it. Russ Puss. Shuffled Sherman. Medicate. Cranky Kristen. Gymnasium. Russ Puss with gum on back. On the Mark with some wax. Bruno. Miles Smiles. Starting to get more off-centered now. Manny Heads. And Shut Up Sherman, or Sherwin, with gum stuck to the back. Win Sheila. With some little bit of wax. Chris Mess. Nice looking card there. Roland. Sticky Nicky. Braided Brandy. With some gum. Not bad though. I might be able to get that out of there. I'm not sure. Let's take a look at this Chris Mess card real quick. Actually, you know what? I'm going to sleeve that. I'm going to sleeve it because I want to look at it real good. One thing I notice is that the cut's kind of weird. It's kind of on this side right here. It's going, and it gets bigger at the bottom there, I think. If I'm looking at that right. But these cards, I mean, there's the corner. There's the other corner. There's a corner. There's a corner. These cards are, I mean, really nice. Really, really nice cards. Well, that one has some wrapper stuck to the top of it. Bummer. Elastic Elwood. Soured Howard. Really looking good on that one. Jughead Ted. Vincent Van Gogh, Bratty Matty with gum. Bratty Matty. That's funny. It's kind of fun opening these old boxes. Blown Joan. This one has some wax on it. Every one pack has a little bit of wax on that front card. And the back card has the gum stain. So this is the one with the gum. Staple Gunther. And we have 3 in the middle that are really nice. Blockhead Blake, Derry Carey, Cut Up Carmen. And let's see, that's it for that stack. However, I'm going to open 3 more packs to make it 15 because I'm enjoying this. I've been sitting on this box for a while now. Haven't done anything with it. So, excuse me. So this is the one with the gum. Short mort. Wax. And then you got your 3 in the center that are good. Got a tickle in my throat. June Moon is looking pretty good. That card's looking really, really nice. I'm going to put that one in the sleeve. And we'll look at it closer. So this card appears to be centered pretty well from what I'm seeing. Maybe a little bit heavy on the top, but I mean not much. It seems to be centered left to right dead on. And let's take a look at the corners. Corners are just, edges are crazy good. Very nice cards out of this box. Very nice. We have Monte Carlo. This one's centered good, but has some wax residue on there. Might be able to get that off, I'm not sure. Any suggestions, let me know. Because I'd like to clean that one up if I can, because it's centered really nice. There's Blown Joan again. Centered really good. Reuben Cube. Milky Wayne. And Dotted Lionel. Well, I was hoping to try to get a Blasted Billy here. In this series, there's on some of the Blasted Billies, there's some of them have a purple banner, so I wanted to see what box this was. If it was the ones that had the purple banner or not. There's a gum on this card here. Stuck pretty good on that one. And that one is Noel Bull. The front one has the wax. Grilled Gill. Russ Puss. pretty good. Sappy Sarah. Bent Brent. $16, $17, $18, $19. We'll do 20 packs. See if I can get a Blasted Billy and see what we got. Gum on the back. Hopefully it's not a gum card. Cranky Kristen again, because I'm getting a lot of doubles here of these other cards and not. Blown Joan, Wax Residue, Stir Casey, Shuffled Sherman, and Medicate. That one has some wrapper on it that's stuck to it. Jughead Ted has the gum stain. Dotted Lionel has the wax stain. Clipped Claude. Fletcher Stretcher. Paul Bunyan. Alexander the Great with the number in the center. For some reason they decided to put the number in the center on that one. And that's a pretty dinged up corner. Look at that. That one's pretty whacked out. That's the only one I've seen that's been whacked out like that. And we have the gum stained one is Busted Armand. And we have Royal Flush. Christine Vaccine. Sharpened Sheena. Gum stain on the back card, that is June Moon. We have wax stain card on the front, Bruin Bruno. Miles Smiles. Max Stacks. Filled Up Phillip. No Blasted Billy yet. Wonder why. You never know. These old packs, these old boxes weren't sealed. See, look at the gum on there. You can see that. Bull's Ira. Pretty sharp looking card if it wasn't the gum on there. Sticky Nicky with the wax. Braided Brandy. This next one looks like an Adam Boom or a Blasted Billy. Blasted Billy 2. And that one is the normal version. So it's cool. Looks like a good card though. And then Marcia. I am gonna put this one in a sleeve because it's looking pretty good. It's a little bit off-centered top to bottom. I mean, the corners on this card is pretty sharp. Pretty sharp looking card. And this is all the way. This right here, now we're at 10 times. 10 times the magnification. These corners are just insanely sharp. So that's good. Blasted Billy too. We'll go ahead and do 2 more packs. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So I think that'll be 22. If there's 48, maybe we'll do 24. Gum stained. It's pretty bad. Bratty Matty. Wax stain. Elastic Elwood. Soured Howard. Jughead Ted. Vincent Van Gogh. That gum has a little mold on it. Look at ah, gross. Hopefully these cards don't have mold in it. I don't see anything on the sides or anything. Okay. Well, we'll just go. Haley Comet. Some wax. Noah Body. Screwball Lou. William Penn. Banana Anna. That's the one with the gum. Louise Squeeze. The gum. Or actually that's Bobby Booger with the gum. Let me see that Bobby Booger. That's the first Bobby Booger I got. Boy, I'd like that card to be nice too. That's too bad it's got the gum stain on it. Louise Squeeze has the wax. Sappy Sarah. Bent Brent. And Noel Bull. And the last pack for right now. We'll open them later on. The other half. This is the first tongue-tied Tina I got. With some wax. There's another Blasted Billy. Looking good on that one too. A little bit off center, top to bottom, maybe. Yeah, it's a little off center. Martian Marsha. Bull's Ira. And with the gum. Wasn't stuck too bad on that one. Cannibal Stew. So, thank you guys for watching these videos here. You know, I enjoy doing this. I enjoy opening these boxes and these cards on camera, making videos for YouTube. And, you know, if you guys like it, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the page so you can see when I'm opening more stuff. So thank you. We appreciate you, and we'll be back again at a different time. Thank you.